Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use Medal TV on Roblox with a complete guide. Medal TV is one of the best and easiest tools to record and share your Roblox gameplay. First, go to Medal.tv and download the Medal app for Windows. Install it and create a free account or sign in. Once set up, Medal automatically detects Roblox games. While playing any Roblox game, simply press the hotkey F8. You can change it in setting to instantly save the last few moments of your gameplay. Medal will capture the clip without lag. After recording, open the Medal app to see all your clips. You can trim the video, add text, stickers, or music, then upload it to get a shareable link. You can also post clips directly to the Roblox section on Medal so other players can watch them. For better organization, go to Medal settings, click Connected Accounts, and link your Roblox account. This helps Medal automatically tag and sort your clips by game. Medal runs smoothly in the background and has very low impact on game performance, making it perfect for Roblox. That's it. This is how you can easily use Medal TV on Roblox to record and share your best moments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.